Fertilizers and pesticides are crucial to nurturing crops and providing them with the necessary nutrients. However, due to difficult terrain, it is not always possible to spray all of the crops. Given that fertilizers increase the yield of crops, it is important that we use them, as with a growing population, more food needs to be produced. On the other hand, it's also important we don't use too much fertilizer, as this causes eutrophication. This is a hypernutrition that comes from fertilizers polluting water supplies. So a method where a precise amount of fertilizer can be sprayed exactly where it's needed is necessary. Team Martin is working on drones capable of spraying fertilizers and pesticides on crops that would otherwise be unreachable. The drones will be able to cover more ground, and through the use of GPS, they will be able to reach specific areas. These drones would be powered using hydrogen fuel cells, which will give them a longer flight time, which is important as they would have to cover hectares of land. Using drones means more ground can be covered faster. What might have taken half a day to do with tractors can be done in one morning with a team of drones. Moreover, because the drones will use GPS-defined routes, they are capable of spraying precise amounts of fertilizers and pesticides. This means farmers won't have to worry about eutrophication. As fertilizers and pesticides are seasonal, the drones will have other abilities such as aerial surveillance, land mapping, inspection, checking for diseased crops, checking inventory, etc., to make the most of their flexibility and ability to maneuver to desired locations. These drones will make it easier for farmers to attend their crops and increase their yield, whilst also giving them other capabilities.